There's now a tiny washing machine to clean your grease-smeared glasses, too. If you think an automatic glasses cleaner is superfluous, you probably don't wear glasses. Oh, so Willie, dude, this is for you.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this.
You know what, actually? Dirty glasses is the worst. Yeah. Sometimes you could just clean some glasses and be like, whoa, that's what things look like.
Mm-hmm.
Just the simplest little... Oh, my goodness, they raised some cash.
Wow.
Yeah.
$250,000.
Seems to be a problem for real.
Canadian, I guess. But
That's not nothing.
I mean,
what
good for
happened
them.
there?
Well, they set a really low goal of only $1,200, knowing that they would surpass it.
Mm-hmm.
But I still think $250,000 is better than I would have expected. There's a lot of people who want this.
Yeah, it's pretty useful.
So it has microfiber cloths on these like spinning things, and it basically looks like a glasses container. It's USB-C powered. You pop your glasses in, close it up, and it's going to spin these little things around. You pull it out. It's spotless, man.
Mm-hmm.
And I like it sometimes when you have
These are always
a
fun.
simple solution to a problem that you're like, oh yeah, somebody should have done that.
Uh-huh.
Look how happy she is. All her glasses are clean, and she's dancing in front of the mirror.
She's having fun.
It's all you need.
It's called Lens HD.
Hands-free lens cleaning station made simple.
You want to
Good
guess
name.
how much it is?
Yeah, that's fun. Let's do that. I'm going to say...
That's fun.
I'm going to say for the early bird, so like the cheapest price they offered, I'm going to say I'm going to be a snake. Mo, that wasn't good enough.
No,
to
it
elicit
got
that
me 'cause I
response,
got-
all right? It's like, the hell is he doing? I'm going to say I wanted $79.
Okay. Mo?
Go ahead, Mo.
Yeah, I was gonna say 60 because I thought that's what he was gonna say. And then he said,
I
"I'm a
was
snake."
thinking
You're
about
the
it.
snake?
I upgraded from snake.
All right. Let's see here.
Oh, you don't know?
I actually do know.
Oh,
I'm
you
just
just
trying
wanna-
to navigate the...
79.
Whoa!
Yeah, so... Lou's right.
I've looked at a few products in my
Yeah.
life. It's just, they speak to me. I can feel their price. It will go up, obviously, after the early bird. So
Sure.
Right. What's their max?
the max price. No.
What's the most they offer?
I guess it would be
This is
the
all
number
packs.
of
Right.
packs, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you get something like this?
I would. I think it's cool. I hope it works as well as it says, because I'm looking at the microfiber shape and I'm curious if it really gets in there. I notice the design of her glasses is circular.
Yeah.
You see, obviously yours, Will, are more rectangular. And so you wonder, since the brush, now I'm sure they thought of this, but I'd be curious.
Or maybe different attachments?
Maybe.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
But I guess you get the pressure onto it when you close it, the
Sure.
contraption shut. So
You open it up, it breaks. It's all in pieces. Your
Yeah.
glasses. It's like,
I don't know.
no.
It's kind of cool. It's a cool little gadget, man. I still have a thing. I have a soft spot for the cool little gadget,
Yes.
you know?
Yeah, it's quirky.
Like the one I still want to check out, which is the one that cleans your earbuds that you had. We actually,
Yeah.
it arrived
we
over
have
here.
it.
And we're going to check it out. I promise. If Mo doesn't keep sidetracking everything.